Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study more in less time. Start by choosing one clear goal for each session and remove distractions. Use active recall and spaced repetition instead of passive rereading to build durable memory. Time block sessions with focused 50-minute work and 10-minute breaks to stay fresh. Review material the next day and again after 1/4 of the study schedule to lock in learning. In this video, I will show how to study more in less time. Switch from highlighting to active testing. Quiz yourself and correct mistakes immediately. Schedule reviews using spaced repetition so you revisit material at optimal intervals. Summarize concepts out loud as if teaching someone to reveal misunderstandings and reinforce connections. Prioritize practice problems and explain answers step by step to convert passive reading into lasting skills for exams. In this video, I will show how to study more in less time. Quick recommendation. Life is stressful, comfort matters, so grab darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort during long study sessions. They stay snug, reduce distractions, and feel great during late-night reviews. If you want the pair I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to study more in less time. Set specific goals and assign realistic minutes so each session has purpose and momentum. Use the Pomodoro rhythm, focused work blocks and short rests, to keep attention sharp. Batch-related tasks like reading then practice to reduce context switching costs. Track progress and adjust durations. Small tweaks often yield 25% or greater gains in productive study time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.